My name is Salman. For many years, I misunderstood what it meant to be positive. I thought being positive meant pretending everything was perfect. If something went wrong, I tried to ignore it. If I felt sad, I told myself to just be happy. But this approach did not help me. Instead, I felt confused. Because deep inside, I knew everything was not always okay. One year, I faced a difficult time. I did not perform well in my exams. My confidence dropped. I felt unsure about my future. I tried to stay positive. I told myself, everything is fine. Don't think about problems. But my problems did not disappear. They stayed. One evening, I went to sit on the rooftop of my house. The sky was cloudy. The wind was strong. I sat quietly, thinking about my situation. After some time, my father came and sat beside me. He asked, "Why do you look worried?" I told him everything. I told him about my fear, my confusion, and my uncertainty. He listened carefully. Then he said something that changed my thinking. Being positive does not mean ignoring problems. I looked at him, surprised. He continued, "Being positive means believing that you can handle problems. First, accept reality. Then, stay hopeful." He pointed to the sky. Clouds do not mean the sky is gone. They only cover it for some time. Similarly, problems cover your confidence, but they do not remove it. Those words stayed in my mind. That night, I accepted my situation honestly. Yes, I had performed poorly. Yes, I felt uncertain. But I also believed that I could improve. The next day, I made a plan. I started studying regularly. I practiced English daily. I worked on my weak areas. Some days were difficult. Some days I felt tired. But I reminded myself, stay realistic and stay hopeful. Weeks passed. Slowly, my confidence returned. My understanding improved. And I realized something important. True positivity is not about ignoring reality. It is about facing reality with hope. Now, whenever I face difficulties, I do not pretend everything is perfect. Instead, I accept the challenge and believe in my ability to grow. Because positivity is not blind optimism. It is calm confidence during uncertain times.